Okay, what if I'm Gambhir Nautiyal? What if I'm unable to come up with a positive word for a given stimulus? देखिए पॉजिटिविटी अगर आपके अंदर है, let me tell all of you, you are studying, listening to me because you are positive people. Yes. Why? You are positive that you will do well and you will get selected. Backbenchers, pay attention. I see many of you are not paying attention. Please pay full attention. So whatever I want to tell you, positivity आपके अंदर है, तो positivity आपको stimulus में देने ही क्या है? Simple, natural answer देते जाएंगे, वही positive है. So when you have to give in response, we give a positive for a give a word. What is it? If I am unable to come with a positive, अरे भाई positive word तो आपके अंदर है ही. Suppose I see problem, so I also see solution. If I see sorrow, I also see happiness. So everything is always there. It is your perspective that matters. You can learn more deeper. Go back to the VAT sessions which we have explained you. We have taught you a principle of dark horse. It will help you direct your mind, streamline your mind and make it healthy. You tomorrow think world is coming to an end, and trust me, you will go into a negative thought process. But tomorrow you think I have to do something worthwhile, you'll go into positive direction. Is it clear? Okay. Varun Kumar has asked, how fast do I need to be in the VAT? Should I try to complete it quickly? See, I have already said that if your VAT is of 5 to 6 words, you'll be able to do it. But you have to get into the habit. Habit is also behavior, and it will also improve your decision making. Now you say that, sir, we should go naturally, we should do no practice. No. Whenever we expect anybody to greet anyone at home, we expect the person to wear the minimum dress. Yes. Or they are in home, so they will be in a raw form. No, nobody is ready to accept that. Similarly, if you are going for SSB, we are expecting you that you should do some study, some basic understanding, and you should have quality response, which should be natural. You don't have to decorate it like lipstick or a powder, but you have to decorate yourself, you have to practice. तो आपको how fast do I need? 4-5 वर्ड लिखोगे, अच्छा लिखने लगो, और आइडिया भी और सेंस भी आ जाएगा कि हाँ यार मैं लिख. But don't keep always giving lessons. Don't write sermons. Don't do preaching. Write something which is your sensibility, what you have learned. That is important. Is it clear? Okay, next. Bhumika Negi from Aldwani, if the situation is unclear or seems absurd, how should I react? There is nothing absurd in the world. Nothing. If you've got the logic, you've got the wisdom, you can solve everything. And that is what this coaching or opening or studying or learning or lessons are all about. आप सीखेंगे तो आप जान जाएंगे, हर चीज आपको वाहियात भी लगेगी, हर चीज का हल मिलेगा. So there is nothing absurd. You will be able to identify. Even if there is something absolutely vulgar, you know censor board is a very good word for writing. Censor board can check. Similarly, कोई भी समस्या का solution है. So please try to understand. There is no situation which is unclear or absurd. You have to accept everything that comes. That is the way you will survive. That is the way you will lead thereafter. समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody done? Okay, that's it. Next, Jay Pratap Singh from Rewari. Is it necessary to give a leadership focused solution to every, or can I provide practical? See, practical empathetic response or focused solution is the same. When you are empathetic माने दूसरे को भी समझते हुए, सबको समझते हुए, thinking for all, working for all, you are able to give answers. It is okay. That is understood. So leadership focused जो आप कह रहे हो, is it necessary? Can I provide? You have to give a practical answers. When you will give practical empathetic answers, it will be practical leadership focus. You don't have to pretend to be a leader. Who's a leader? Leader is the one who reads well, who identifies solutions. No, sorry, who identifies problem and thereafter identifies solution and thereafter solves it and helps others. That's it. So helping others, empathy, solution finding is practical. Where is the difference? So is my answer clear? Okay. Lakshman saying, how do I deal with situation that seem morally gray in the SRTs? See, in morality, there is always going to be a little difficulty. Why? Because practicality and morality needs to be balanced. Morality आपकी सिर्फ ज्ञान नहीं होना चाहिए, practical होना चाहिए. Okay, tell me what is the benefit of speaking truth, morally and practically. Morally ये है कि as per the religion it is truth should be spoken, wonderful. और practically क्या है? Practically ये है बेटा कि when you speak truth you create a reputation for yourself, you generate respect for yourself, and you also are able to get the best result for yourself. You get stability, you get progress, you get peace, you get happiness. Is it clear? So that's exactly what we mean by being morally straight. So when you have a morally tight situation, we will cover this for you. We have understood that in morality conditions, SRTs become difficult, though in the book we have already written a lot of them, but we will specifically work for this morally area where you get that morality where you have this to do or that to do. Then how will you manage? We will do that specifically 20, 30 odd, and we'll open up the mind. Is it clear? We'll do that. But we have already done in the book Master Notes. Please go for it. Now Rudra Daman Singh from Ajmer, he asks, should I focus on quick instinctive response or take a moment to think more logically? See, when we started computer, जब कंप्यूटर शुरू हुआ था तो कंप्यूटर को बूट करने में आधा घंटा लग जाता, बड़ा कंप्यूटर. और अब कंप्यूटर की रैम रोम इतनी अच्छी हो गई है कि इधर खोला नहीं कि उधर शुरू हुआ. सिमिलरली जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपके दिमाग की रैम रोम इतनी तेज हो जाएगी कि आपकी रिस्पॉन्स जल्दी आने लगी. आपकी लॉजिक विल कम ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स, आपके रिस्पॉन्सेज नेचुरली आने लगी. एंड व्हेन योर डिसीजन मेकिंग विल इंप्रूव बाय प्रैक्टिस, you will also multiply on your self confidence and you will also multiply on your logical responses. तो आपको प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है रुद्र साहब, और बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिए. आपके इंस्टिंक्टिव रिस्पॉन्स भी आएंगे और आपके लॉजिकल भी आएंगे. यस, बट मैं ये जरूर कहूंगा कि जब whenever you get a picture or a word or a SRT, you should think logically. You should use few seconds, few microseconds to think logically and thereafter react. We don't want you to rush. Even in interview, तो हम नहीं चाहते कि आप तुरंत उत्तर दे. आप थोड़ी देर okay sir, ben, and give the answer. Similarly, whatever you want to do. Got it? Okay. Let's go further. Then Ritu Gua, what exactly should I write about in self description section? देखो, self description section is the biggest धोखा. The biggest treachery is when you bluff yourself that you are the best. It is you who doesn't want to open their eyes to what they are. वो जानना ही नहीं चाहते, वो अपने को ही धोखा देते हैं. There are many people you see on the road. Many people will think they are the smartest people. There are many people whom you will think they'll behave as if they are the most beautiful person. They will think, many people will think they are the most intelligent person. It is not the case. Life is a big panorama. बहुत बड़ा यूनिवर्स है, बहुत बड़ा ग्लोब. बट अपने को पहचानना नितांत आवश्यक. It's very important to identify yourself. There are many people who just deny. They've learned from the parenting, from their brothers, sisters. Lie. White lie. Just deny. Don't agree. They have learned like a thief. They have learned like a dacoit, only to deny. Because they believe, why should I? Why should I? Go find. And even if you find, I will shout and prove you wrong. This is what they do. Unfortunately, this is wrong. The person who accepts what the person is, identifies what the person is, identifies what others think of him or her, identifies what is the strength he or she has, identifies what all she can really do, and that matches with you when you go there in the interview. That is what is the beauty of SDT. आपकी सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन टेस्ट आपसे पहले पहुंचती है और इंटरव्यूअर या कोई भी मनोवैज्ञानिक को बताती है कि आप ऐसे, तो अगर आप उसके बाद आपके रिस्पॉन्सेस उसके विपरीत है तो ये गलती है आपकी। अब आपने एसडीटी बहुत अच्छी लिख दी पर रिस्पॉन्सेस बहुत वीक लिखे तो आप सफर करेंगे। आपने अच्छा किया पर आपने बहुत पुअर एसडीटी लिखी, आपने दिखाया सब आपसे दुखी हैं, माता पिता सब कुछ, तो आपका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत कम होगा। तो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को चेक करने के लिए सबसे शानदार तरीका है एसडीटी। एसडीटी हमारे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की हेल्दी लेवल को बताता है। कई बार एसडीटी में ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है, कई बार एसडीटी में अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है और कई बार एसडीटी में सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। तो आपकी एसडीटी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के बेस पे होनी चाहिए। इट शुड रिफ्लेक्ट सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, इट शुड हैव the right thought process, what the parents have, teachers have, or others have for you, so that when they ask you in the interview, you can prove it. Is it clear? God bless you. Let's go ahead, Ritu Goa. Ram Kumar from Madurai has asked, should it just be about my strength? SDT. See, strength is something which you should keep multiplying. Even today when I'm sitting at 56, I have many things more to learn. You are a young person, you have many things to learn. So strength is something which you have, which you can multiply. आपको मालूम है आपकी जब जमीन बिल्डिंग तैयार होती है तो पिलर्स तैयार होते हैं जिसपे बिल्डिंग खड़ी होती है या अन्य फाउंडेशन वॉल तैयार होती है और वो वॉल बाद में पूरी बिल्डिंग को सपोर्ट करती है. तो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग एट. इट शुड बी दो स्ट्रेंथ एंड देन यू कैन प्रूव द स्ट्रेंथ. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हेनेवर यू say that I'm hard working, I'm this, but you are also ready to learn. So these are good strengths. They will show that you have got good foundation pillars and आगे चल के building आपकी मजबूत होगी. So that is what you have to tell in your SDT. You should write about your strength, but you should not hide your weakness. Now weakness which are perpetual बहुत नकारात्मक है. पहले तो अपने में सुधार लीजिए. अगर आपको बहुत तेज गुस्सा आता है, क्यों भाई? आप ही दुनिया में अकेले थोड़ी ना आए हो, और भी कई चीजें आती है. इस प्रकार की चीजें क्या दिखाती है कि यू आर अ परपेचुअल मूडी पर्सन एंड वी डोंट वांट मूड, वी वांट डिसिप्लिन. याद रखिएगा, आर्म फोर्सेस अबाउट डिसिप्लिन. तो अगर आपका डिसिप्लिन अच्छा है, वी गोना लाइक यू. एंड इफ यू हैव पुअर डिसिप्लिन, देन आई एम सॉरी टू से यू फर्स्ट गेट योर माइंड एंड योर थिंकिंग स्ट्रेट. पहले ठीक कराइए. तो इसीलिए स्ट्रेंथ को डेवलप करिए, वीकनेसेस भी बताइए, पर वो उस पर काम भी करिए. अब हम जान रहे हैं कि हम इसमें कमजोर है एंड वी आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन इट. वी आर नोइंग दैट वी आर वीक इन दिस एंड वी डोंट वांट टू वर्क ऑन इट. दैट्स ब्लफिंग. सो डोंट ब्लफ योरसेल्फ बिकॉज दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ब्लफ. Chandresh Sharma has said, do I need to talk about weakness or should I only focus? I've already said that. Weakness जो है, you should talk about it. You should talk about what you're working on. जैसे मैं, even if I'm a good speaker, I'm still working on my vocabulary. I'm trying to improve on it because I also feel the more better vocabulary, the more better. No, I'm not planning to be Shashi Tharoor because he's on a different level where communication gets disconnected. But I still want to improve my vocabulary. Similarly, there are many things which you also want to improve. You want to improve your अभी तो कितनी दुनिया देखी, कम देखी है. अभी देखना चाहोगे, उसके हिसाब से सीखना चाहोगे, डेवलप करना चाहोगे, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट वर्ल्ड ऑफ एरियाज वेयर यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव. दैट इज वीकनेस. वीकनेस डज नॉट मीन दैट इट इज अ फैटल स्टेटमेंट. याद रखिएगा ये लाइन. वीकनेस डज नॉट मीन एनी फैटल स्टेटमेंट कि मैं ऐसा हूं, ऐसा था, ऐसा रहूंगा ना. कोई भी वीकनेस सुधरने लेवल पे होनी चाहिए, ये आपको हम बताते हैं. क्योंकि इफ यू आर अ थिंकिंग पर्सन, you know you have this power to think, and when you have the power to think, you have the power to act, and you have the power to change. तो ये याद रखिएगा. Only should I focus positive state बताइए, नॉर्मल चीजें बताइए, बट थोड़ी बहुत वीकनेस बतानी. ओके. Bhaskar Kumar from Mumbai, how do I balance honesty and positivity in myself? Intelligence is the formula. Whenever you will be honest with intelligence, you will be honest. That means now a thief has come into your house and you are trying to be honest with him that I've hidden the money in so and so place, there. Then I think you are not, you may be honest, but you are stupid. So we want intelligence as the thing which will make you honest, positive and practical. इसी तरह सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन टेस्ट में जब आप ईमानदारी से चीज, अरे भाई आप जब जाओगे, when you will walk in, your personality will speak. So anything which you have written in the SDT which matches with your personality is your honesty, and where you are ready to improve is your positivity, and where you are working on is also your positivity. जो चीज आप दिख रहे हो वो तो मान रहे हो, बट साथ में आप आगे बदलाव कर रहे हो वो भी मान रहे हो, तो ऑनेस्टी पॉजिटिविटी आ जाएगी. भास्कर, I hope I have been able to clarify that. I hope you're not a totally South Indian, so you don't understand, but I think you must be understanding basic Hindi also, so understand that. Is it clear? Now we come down to Uday Chhabra. Should I include personal anecdotes in the SD or just stick to general traits? See, personal anecdotes educate our mind. Many times when, you know, like for example, I will give a small example of mine. I had done some games, I have done certain activities, and from those activities I learned something. So I wrote that thanks to my teachers, from these activities I learned this, and they appreciated that I learned it well. अब ये लिखना से क्या लाभ हुआ? ये पर्सनल एनेक्डोट भी आ गया, मैंने उससे सीखा क्या वो भी आ गया, और टीचर ने मुझे अपने ओपिनियन में बताया क्या वो भी आ गया. So these things will make the SDT more truthful, natural and sensible. Is it clear? So general traits लिखना नहीं है. Here in the backbench, please, everybody understanding everything, whatever you are requesting is being served, also for the others, also for you, so please pay attention. I sometimes see the new generation tend to get talking in the later level. Don't do that. Now Lovelace Singh has asked, how do I handle question about my weakness in the interview? See, one thing, all of you, are strong personalities. You have already walked in till here. You have cleared your written exam. You have cleared your parameters for being called to SSB. आपको SSB बुलाया जा रहा है. ये parameter के लिए आपको बुलाया गया है, तो ये भी आपको दिख रहा है. So what I want to say is, how do you handle your questions? It's very simple. You should be working on it. When you identify something, you don't sleep over it. आप कुछ कमजोरी पाते हो तो उसके ऊपर सोना नहीं है, उस पर जाग के काम करना है, ताकि अगली बार वो समस्या रहे नहीं. Next time it does not remain. Is it clear? Yes or no? Getting the point? So this is what. So how do I handle a question? If you tell anything in the weakness which you have written or interview में पूछा जाए, तो you should have had already created a plan and you have been working on the plan and you must have improved as per the plan. ये आपको इंटरव्यू में दिखाना है. उदाहरण के लिए अगर आपने लिखा कि I have been weak in English, you should have had made some efforts to do that, and that should have made a positive impact on you. It should be evident, दिखना चाहिए कि हाँ भाई मेरे में सुधार भी आया, मैंने ये किया. लवलेश, अगर अंग्रेजी कमजोर है तो बताओ कि मेरी थी, पर मैंने उस पर काम किया, काफी सुधर गई, काफी सुधर रही है. So I don't say that it has to be perfect to prove, but it should be on the path. Is it clear? Okay.